Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a family recipe of an apple cobbler. I had some extra apples on hand and I thought this would be a good time to use them up. If we're going to make our crust, we're going to do it in a Cuisinart. We've got half a cup of flour and a cup of granulated sugar. So we're just going to mix all that up real good. And we're going to put this in the Cuisinart. We're going to use a half a cup of chilled butter. I'm going to cut this up so it'll beat up a little better. Of course, you know, anytime you're making any kind of crust, you use cold, everything cold. Now we're going to mix that until it gets to looking like a small pea or something. It's real small. Whisk your egg. We got to get a little bowl for that. Four tablespoons of milk. We got to put a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to put a little bit of salt. I'm just going to guess at it. You don't need much. I believe that's all we need to do to that. We have peeled and sliced 12 apples. I went ahead and did that because that takes a while and I didn't want to hold you up. Now we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon. It's a half of a teaspoon is all. It's going to sprinkle a little of that over all of it. I'm not a big cinnamon eater anyway. We got a fourth of a cup of light brown sugar we're going to sprinkle over this. If this has holes in between it, you don't have to worry because it's going to crust up and run together. So all we worried about is just getting it on there. This is 2 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to cut off and put on this. I think that's about 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to put the rest of this on here. I might try to smooth that a little bit. We don't have to worry about it though. It's going to melt and go down in all that. We're ready to put our apple cobbler in the oven. It's 350 degrees and we're going to cook it about 45 to 60 minutes. Our apple pudding is finished and it turned out it's really good and I hope you try it and I hope you see you on another family video. Thanks for watching.